how to prepare a T3 form. Well, you locate a file called T3 SpeedExcel tools, and once you open it, what you do is that you put in a course title, right, just like what it says here, where you deal with the new T3 form, and then change the date of the training. So you gotta change the course title, right? So here I will change it here. So maybe next time you're gonna put it like Six Sigma, right? And then the dates you can start changing it. Now, if the training is 2 day, then you need to prepare 2 days training, right? So for example, it's say 20 and 21, right? So the first one is 20, and then the other then you, after you do the 20, then you do the 21. Now the next thing is that the name of the employee, you change it to here, and then say from the previous one, this is ABC, and then you click on this, just get over here, and you copy this down, right? You can see that these are all changes, right? So that's a link, right? Now the next thing is that here, if I change ABC, and everything will change to ABC. Now then you enter the person's name. So for example, chicken, right? So then you can see that the moment I put in this here and I put on NIRC, right? So these are fictitious, and then but what is changed is that there is it will automatic tell you what is the sex line, right? So so let's say I put another one, right? So and I change it to say let's just put there 35, okay, 35, and now over here, same thing here. I will just put in say 30. All right. So as you can see that then the value will change, will add accordingly, right? So how do I do that, right? So this is these are some function here. So basically, I check whether if I can check whether if this value here is equal to blank. If it's a blank, then just make it blank, and otherwise we just show the value in this cell here. So I'll just basically log this here. So so as you can see that it's now gone, right? So as soon as I put in a name here, right? So let's say I put a tiger, right? And you can see that this is value, but there is no NRC that you can't do it. So yeah, this is it, right? And then finally we just print out this value here. So this date here is linked to this date also, so that's why you don't really worry about that. All right, once you've done that, right, what happened is that we're going to click on this PDF file, this key PDF buttons, click on it, and there you go, right? So this is it, and it will appear where? It will appear in the same folder here. So there is a T3 and the ABC, so that is 20. Now, remember that this is a 2 days training, so we're going to change the next one to 21. And all you need to do is just change it to 21, and this one will change to 21 as well. And now you just click on this here one more time, and this is 21. And again here, you press the function key F5, it will have 20 and 21. Now go ahead, after this, highlight these two, right click, and then choose print. They should have more options here, right? And there should be a print option here, right? So then just print it out. Yeah, that's just the first thing, right? Then the next one is about printing out JD14. That will be another video. Thanks for watching.